guys, welcome back. So today we have a new video and it's unboxing of my new sewing machine. So bumili kami ng sewing machine yesterday. We will open it today. Let's start it. Let's start. Okay, so this is Brother. The brand name is Brother LX. How big is it?
I don't know. It says full-size sewing machine.
Full-size sewing machine. So that is for $76. Yay! Meron akong panahin-nahin.
Here's some parts.
So these are some parts of it. What's that? Okay.
Here's your direction book.
And this is the manual or the direction book. Yan. And there it is. This. Okay. Yay. So I'm just watching. He's the one opening it. And there's something inside.
That's the feet and then components that go on it.
Pull it. At diba nang alam ako?
Oh yeah, you got it.
Okay. Oh, okay. So this is the
That's where the door is.
door?
Get it open out of the package. The opening.
Okay. No, this is the cables.
Power cord.
Power cord. See?
Mm-hmm.
This is the power
And
cord.
it's got feet under it.
And
Okay.
see? Got feet and... So this is the quick reference guide. Lower threading. So there's also Spanish instructions here. There. There. That's must be the
Either storage or so you can do other things on it.
okay.
This comes out. Okay, this is your speed control.
Okay.
And
Mm-hmm.
that goes over here.
Where?
Next to your on and
Okay.
off switch.
There.
So
So
plug it in wrong.
plug it in there.
Power down here.
So there's that.
And this is your foot pedal control or your hand pedal.
Pedal.
Usually foot.
Okay. Yeah.
This is your on switch. It's got a
Where?
light.
Where's the so? Oh, okay.
On and off.
Then
it turns on the light.
Yeah.
And then being this is your speed control.
There. Okay. Ah, scary.
Nothing scary about that. Simple. Basic, easy, simple.
Okay. We'll take a closer look. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang sa taas niya. Ayan. So, this is where you put the bobbin. Yung ayan. Tapos, yan yung model. Then, model number niya. And then, ito yung mga different kinds of stitches. Ayan. So, ito yung dito ka mamimili. Anong klaseng stitch yung gusto mo. So, dapat siya yung nakatapat dito sa taas. Ayan. Ito yung pag ilalak mo na siya. So, pagkatahi mo ganon, parang pag habang ibabalik mo siya, nakapindot, nakababato. Ganyan. And then, which machine is right for you? These are the different models na pwede mong pagpilian. Ito yung model na to, this is the essential model. This model is perfect for everyday on-the-go sewing and mending. And then it includes every starting essential and then just threading, easy to follow threading diagram. It also came with a CD that you can watch so you can follow each step how to put threading or bobbins in here and in here. Okay, and so you can choose which machine is right for you. So we will test it later. Yan, nag-practice kami. Yan yung ginawa ko. O, diba? Tinahi ko siya. Ayan. Ayan yung tinahi ko. Tinry ko lang yung aking mahabang pajama pants. Yan. So, ayan yung tinahi ko kanina. And then, nagpalit kami ng sinulid after nito. Ayan. Ito yung tinahi ko. Ayan o. Kita nyo. And then, ayan. Nag-practice ako kanina. Ito yung natahi ko. Ayan, may ano pang ito, puti loob naman siya. Ayan. Ayan, yan. Tinahi ko to. Ayan. Nilagyan ko siya ng ganyan lang. Simpleng, ayan. Ayan, muna yung tinahi ko. Para hindi tumuloy-tuloy yung tas-tas niya. Saka ko na siya aayusin. Yay! So, ayan, di ba? Konting practice na lang sa susunod. Ako na mag-repair ng mga damit ko. Kasi mahal ang mga alteration dito. Ngayon, yung mga tablecloth and cortina muna pagpa-practice natin. So there you have guys, yung unboxing ng ating sewing machine, yung ating portable sewing machine na nabili namin last week. So kung balak nyo bumili ng sewing machine, ng portable sewing machine, I hope nakakuha kayo ng tips. So especially kung beginners kayo like me, as in talagang very beginner lang ako. And then, yan, nag-aaral pa rin din ako. So maganda tong way para talaga matuto. I hope nakatulong to if you plan to buy your portable sewing machine. Ayan na naman yung pusa. Except talaga siya. So, ayan, sana nakatulong sa inyo. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. And I will try to upload simple projects ko. As a beginner, yung mga simple sewing projects ko. Nagagawin ko in the future. So, I hope abangan nyo yun. And, of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button and yung notification bell. Huwag nyo kalimutan i-click yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo kapag may bago akong video. And feel free guys to comment and suggest kung ano yung mga video pa na gusto nyo makita or gawin ko. And I will try kung kaya naman natin, why not? So, kung carry belts natin siya. So, thank you so much again. And so please like this video. And I'll see you again next time dito lang sa Lauryn's Lakwatsa. At bye-bye. Bye!